What will happen if you should start drinking enough water? Well, you'll feel less hungry and may even lose some weight. You'll probably experience more comfortable digestion, less heartburn. Your bowel movements might be easier and more regular. Your teeth and gums will be healthier and more resilient. Is it okay to drink more than the recommended amount of water? Drinking enough water offers health benefits. However, drinking too much water, such as 3 to 4 liters per day in short periods, may lead to water intoxication. For proper metabolism, a normal human body requires about 2 liters of water. 6 to 8 small glasses of water per day is enough.